Hi, this is Elias from the Replo team. Today I'm going to show you how to display multiple products on your Replo page using the product collection component. The product collection component allows you to design how a product looks once and automatically apply that styling to the entire collection of products. Under the hood, the product collection component is a container that holds one product component. That component serves as the blueprint for all products in the collection. Things like styling and effects are copied to each product so that you don't have to do it manually. To add the component to your canvas, open the Components library, search for Product Collection, and drag the component into the canvas. Now let's see what configuration options are available by selecting the Product Collection component and opening the Config tab. The Products section is where you can add products, remove products, change the order of products, and select which products are displayed. To add a product to the collection, click on the plus icon in the Products section. You can search for products that you've added to your Shopify store here. Now click the product you want to add. To remove a product, click the X icon next to the product you want to remove. If you have accidentally removed a product, you can undo the action by pressing Command Z on Mac, Control Z on Windows, or press the undo button in the bottom toolbar of the canvas. You can change the order in which products are displayed by using the menu icon next to each product's name. To change what product is showing, select the product you want to change, then search for the product you want and click it to change it. Let's go ahead and customize this product collection component. I'm going to start by changing the products currently displayed. Next, I'm going to adjust how the images look. I'll change the image height to 217 pixels. Then I'll make each image stretch to fill. The last thing I'll do for the images is change the image width to fill available width. For the product details section, I'll start by making the gap between elements smaller. For the title, I'm only going to change the font. I'll then change the font for the price component to Poppins and make the font weight lighter. Finally, for the Add to Cart button, I will make the button background a dark gray and the text color a yellowish color. And that's it. You've successfully used the product collection component to display multiple products with consistent styling. This not only saves you time, but also creates a uniform look.